Receipt Bank have updated their app, and there's a few new features in there which are really handy. So firstly, as an accountant, I've got access to all of my clients' Receipt Bank accounts, and I can go in and view their documents, code them, put details on, which is really helpful when pushing things over to something like Xero. So this is my company's Receipt Bank account. Within here you can see I'm extracting a couple of invoices I've just taken photos of and dropped in, and I've got these other bills in here that were in previously that need to be reviewed and then put through to my Xero account where I'm integrated. Within here you can see that there's the invoice. You can write text. See if I can get it all in. So you can add the text to that, get that all coded through, and then literally push that through, move it to ready. Same on this one, and just push that through to ready. Any text you put on here will obviously go through as well into my Xero, which is really handy. And for example, it might look daft here, but Milton Keynes Council a nil bill. Now I've put that through because, for example, they've brought in a feature now that allows you to view your archived invoices, which is really handy. So for example, the council bill, I'm entitled to the small business rates relief, but it made it really useful when when you need your account number, the invoice is there and is in the archive if you need it. So some great things on there. You've still got access to expense reports, and you can still go in and add items, and you've got the option of single, multiple and combined like you did before. So overall, looks like a great update. Have a go.